This is my quick review of Instant Precision Dutch Oven. In case you consider buying it, I will leave a link in description for you to access it on Amazon. My most favorite part about this Instant Pot is its 5-in-1 functionality, such as Braise, slow cooking, Sear, Sauté, cooking pan and warmer. This Instant Pot offers easy and precise control cooking time and temperature, thus enabling you to attain a professional cooking results. Instant Precision Dutch Oven also offer table-ready elegance. It incorporates heavy-duty enameled cast iron cooking pot which is removable, oven and stovetop safe. It will look beautiful on your table. With this you will receive tender results. Its matching lid has self-braising grid on underside to keep food evenly moist. It also has a large capacity. It cooks up to 6 servings of food, perfect for meal prepping, entertaining and family dinners. Hence saving time and making work easier. Last but not least, this Instant Pot is easy to clean up, since it's dishwasher safe. If you love it, check out the link in description.